In preparation for St. Patrick's Day, let's make this paper clover wreath. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. The supplies you'll need are a glue gun, a paper plate, scissors, a pencil, and green paper. I'm using 2 different shades of green. You also need a piece of twine or ribbon to hang the wreath. To make the clovers, let's first start out by drawing and cutting out 1 heart. Use that heart to draw and cut out many more hearts. These will be the leaves for the clovers. I'm drawing and cutting out 30 hearts, or 15 for each color. This should make for 10 clovers total. Cut a small rectangle, and we will use these for the stems later. Once all the hearts are done, make a small cut in the center of each heart. Then fold both sides in. Then carefully glue the folds together. Now you have 1 clover leaf. Repeat these same steps for each heart. Next, cut long triangles and fold them in half for the stems. Now we're ready to assemble the clovers. Glue one end of a leaf to another. Then add the 3rd leaf and glue the stem. To make the wreath, take the plate, fold it in half, and cut a circle in the center. Now let's glue the clovers to the wreath. I'm arranging them in alternating colors. I also decided to glue 1 color facing in and 1 color facing out. Continue this process all the way around the wreath. The final step is to take your twine and glue it to the back of the wreath. This wreath is ready to be hung for St. Patrick's Day. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your family and friends, and thank you for watching.